Welcome to the mesmerizing journey from Guwahati to Silchar, a route that isn't just a railway line but a lifeline for millions in the northeastern corner of India. This journey is a celebration of nature's beauty, human resilience, and engineering brilliance. But did you know that beneath its picturesque vistas and rhythmic motion lie stories of grit, innovation, and hidden challenges? In this video, we will dive deep into the unknown facts about the Guwahati to Silchar train. Stories that will make you appreciate this route like never before. Our journey begins in Assam's largest city and a cultural hub of northeast India. This train route to Silchar spans over 380 kilometers, crossing through diverse terrains, rich biodiversity, and regions steeped in history. But this railway line is not just a route, it's a testament to the government's commitment to connecting remote regions to the national mainstream. The Guwahati to Silchar route is unique because it passes through Assam's Barak Valley, a region isolated from the Brahmaputra Valley by dense forests and hilly terrains. This made transportation a massive challenge until the railway line was upgraded into a broad-gauge marvel in 2015. Before this upgrade, the journey was an arduous task, relying on the outdated meter-gauge railway system. The new broad-gauge track revolutionized connectivity, slashing travel time while boosting economic activity in this remote region. One of the most striking features of this journey is its bridges, an engineering feat in themselves. The train crosses over 600 bridges, some of which are marvels of design and construction. The Diang Bridge, for instance, is not only an architectural masterpiece but also one of the most vital links for this route. Each bridge here is a silent guardian, braving the region's heavy monsoons and shifting river courses. But this journey is not just about engineering, it's about the people. Did you know that the Guwahati to Silchar train serves as a cultural bridge between the Brahmaputra Valley and Barak Valley? These two regions are distinctly different in language, culture, and traditions. While Assamese dominates the Brahmaputra Valley, Bengali is the primary language of the Barak Valley. This train route plays a crucial role in uniting these two culturally rich regions, fostering connections that transcend geography. One of the most challenging sections of this route is the Borail Range. The train navigates steep gradients and sharp curves, making this part of the journey a thrilling experience. The Lumding-Silchar section, which traverses these hills, is considered one of the most scenic and treacherous railways in India. Building this section was no small feat. In fact, it is often referred to as the lifeline of Barak Valley, overcoming landslides, dense forests, and rugged terrains to connect the region. Let's not forget the untold stories of the workers who made this route possible. Over 17 years were spent converting the Lumding-Silchar section into broad gauge, involving over 14 tunnels, 79 major bridges, and thousands of workers. The project faced multiple delays due to challenging conditions, including landslides, heavy rainfall, and even insurgent threats. But thanks to their perseverance, the route now stands as a testament to human determination. And speaking of tunnels, did you know this route features some of the longest railway tunnels in northeast India? The Harangajau tunnel is particularly noteworthy, stretching for over 3 kilometers through the dense hills. Each tunnel is a gateway, taking passengers from one natural wonder to another, blending the mystery of the underground with the beauty of the open landscapes. This train route isn't just a means of travel, it's an emotional journey. For many, it's a lifeline connecting them to family and opportunities. For travelers, it's a moving postcard of Assam's untouched beauty, rolling tea gardens, ancient forests, and tranquil rivers. And for historians, it's a legacy of how railways shaped the destiny of remote regions. Along the way, the train stops at key stations like Lumding, Badarpur, and New Haflong, each with its own stories to tell. New Haflong, for instance, is a gateway to Dima Hasau's mesmerizing landscapes, while Badarpur is steeped in colonial history, serving as a key point during British-era railway expansion in the northeast. The pre-independence origins of the Lumding-Silchar line. The Lumding-Silchar section of this route was initially developed as a meter-gauge railway by the British in 1899. Its primary purpose was to connect the tea-rich Barak Valley with the port of Chittagong, now in Bangladesh. After India's independence, partition severed the link with Chittagong, making this line a vital internal connector for the Indian state of Assam. The controversial broad-gauge conversion. The broad-gauge conversion of the Lumding-Silchar section was completed in 2015 after almost 2 decades of delays. This upgrade was one of the most controversial projects in the region. Workers faced extreme weather, tough terrain, and insurgent activity, while local communities expressed concerns about ecological damage. Despite these challenges, the project was hailed as a game-changer, significantly improving connectivity for the Barak Valley. The legendary steam locomotives. During the early 20th century, this route saw iconic steam locomotives ferry passengers and goods. These locomotives, fueled by coal from Meghalaya's mines, were a lifeline for the Barak Valley. Although steam engines have long been replaced by diesel and electric locomotives, enthusiasts still cherish the era when these iron horses chugged through the lush hills of Assam. Rare biodiversity along the route. The Guwahati-Silchar train passes through areas rich in biodiversity, including sections of the Borail Wildlife Sanctuary. This sanctuary is home to several endangered species like the clouded leopard, Hulak gibbon, and Indian pangolin. Travelers often spot wild elephants, deer, and exotic birds from the train, making this route a delight for nature enthusiasts. The longest gradient section in northeast India. The Lumding-Silchar section is known for its steep gradients, making it one of the most challenging railway sections in northeast India. The ascent and descent through the Borail Hills are among the longest continuous gradients in the region, requiring trains to use their full braking and traction power to navigate safely. Challenges of frequent track maintenance. Maintaining the Guwahati-Silchar railway line is no easy task. Frequent landslides, heavy rains, and shifting soil make track maintenance a year-round challenge. Specialized rail maintenance teams are stationed along the route to respond to emergencies quickly, ensuring minimal disruptions for passengers and freight services. So, the next time you think of taking a train journey, consider this enchanting route from Guwahati to Silchar. It's not just a journey, it's an experience, a story, and a connection to the soul of Assam. If you've enjoyed this deep dive into its hidden tales, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more fascinating railway stories from around the world. See you in the next video.